Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I got the little Grom out. I'm gonna do a first run with it, first impression. Cool little truck. It's got some pick me up, guys. It's actually very controllable too for how small it is. It's all one-handed. So just a quick little run. It's actually pretty zippy, guys. It's let's go over here with a little more dirt. See if we can get out of the grass a little bit. Got enough power to do a wheelie, that's for sure. All right, guys, that's the Grom. Just a quick little run on it. Little zippy thing. Big, might see it a little more out here running it in. Might leave this one in the truck just to play with it when I get, like right now I'm broke down, so I'm waiting for the mechanic to come out. Then got something to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.